We are in the Hiawatha National Forest in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We camped back here last night, dispersed camping in the National Forest. Nice little pull-off area here and quiet night. Had a little bit of rain, but overall it was quiet. Had a couple bars of AT&T service out here, which is unexpected, so we were able to get a little bit done, watch a little bit of YouTube on TV. Getting up this morning, it's supposed to be a beautiful day. A little windy this morning, but it's supposed to get up to 70, so I'm going to get out and do a little bit of hiking in the pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit and Lake Superior calms down. We'll be able to get the kayak out and kayak through some of the sea caves and enjoy the day. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, Munising, Michigan is where we are right now. We're going to do the Sandpoint Marsh Trail. Supposed to be half a mile paved here. It's an accessible trail out of some views, so let's check this out. So we're finishing up the Sandpoint Marsh Trail, and coming off, we found this painted rock laying on the boardwalk. Again, these things are cool to find. This one's out of Lake County, Illinois. But they're cool to find. Guys, don't leave them in parks and stuff like this. The paint is not natural. It can chip off things. The animals can ingest it, and it can cause issues with them. So leave them somewhere else. Leave them in a Target parking lot or Walmart or wherever you go, but not out here in nature. They got to clean our feet off here with the boot brush and move on. So we're at Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore still, and we are going to hike out to Chapel Rock, which is kind of the iconic spot here in the park. The tree growing under the rock by itself, the roots on the mainland. We've had to park way back from the trailhead. We're still walking down the road of cars. Fun part's going to be getting back because nothing told us anything about the parking issue up here. So now we got a camper down here, and we got to back out this little side road between cars. So that's going to be fun, but we're going to make fun of this now. Notice there are 4 RV and trailer spot parking out here. Don't be one of these idiots that park in a trailer and RV spot and then the rest of us can't do it. 2 here, 2 on the other side, and there's cars in all of them. Don't do that. Okay, we made it up to Chapel Rock. If you notice Chapel Rock, the tree is growing out on the rock over here, but the roots come back onto the mainland. So pretty cool. It's been protected here, so we're gonna walk down the beach and check out some of the sea cave.